chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing.
Hey guys, good morning. So I am up. I am just trying to get this place together. Yeah, it is what, my last week.
Miss you, say are you alone? And if you can't manage, then you figure home. Baby, you say me missing a call since lately. Where the studio hard since lately. Me just feel like this all too crazy. Girl, missing a call since lately. Yeah, I got too hard since lately. I feel like
I got my clothes here. So look, my bed is all finished made. Oh Lord, but yeah. So these guys, I like just put up this quick little hairstyle. Not that much. I just kind of twisted, and her battery died, so I had to change it. And Mr. Williams just got out the shower, so he is in the process of getting ready. What is that, chocolate? Oh my gosh. Yeah, so my bed is nice and ready, spring ready from BC. You have those candies in there? That is disgusting. So yeah, we are actually about to just finish getting ready and head out. I just wanted to switch my bed and stuff, my linens before I go. I'm gonna take this downstairs. So yeah, oh, my favorite cup broke today, guys. Oh, now I gotta go get me a new teacup. But I need to put on some tea. I ain't feeling 100. Oh gosh, feeling a bit nauseous. Oh, I'm gonna get some tea on, and oh, it feels cold down here. This weather, it just keeps fluctuating. 1 minute it's okay, and then in the next minute I'll just leave it on what it is. Yeah, so the weather keeps fluctuating, which is making it so cold here. Like, it's just crazy. 1 minute the temperature is all right, and the next minute it's like freezing cold. I'm gonna wear those out today. So yeah, but you know what, I'm gonna go out, go enjoy the weather, spend some time with hubby, and yeah, we're just gonna have some alone time. We're actually going downtown Toronto today, so I will try and get some footage on my camera for you guys, so to make sure that it is good quality. I need to get a different string for this thing. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when we are about to leave. Toodles. Hey guys, so we are actually on our way out just now. Right, Mr. Williams? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we're on our way into the city. Long drive? It's not that long. It ain't that long.
What kind of music?
So I'll catch you guys when we get further down where we're going. Yay!
We going to party tonight,
So we're pretty much on the Don Valley Parkway. Downtown looks so sucky through the winter. It looks so much better. Well, in the spring, trees are not even flourishing yet. I don't even see no buds on the trees. And it's supposed to be spring. Okay. It's not even green. Nothing's turning. Nothing. Oh Lord, gotta endure this booming weather.
Yeah, it's supposed to snow today.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then they said it's supposed to snow today. Like, really? But yeah, I'll show you for those who don't know down part this area are those that don't live in Canada. This is like our downtown. It's almost like call it downtown New York. But when we get further down, I will vlog so then you guys can see in that area as well.
people love me Friday for me.
Just guide me in the street when me out at night. Mother they read Bible for me. Me not love likes. Them never tell her before, say pressure bus pipe. Pick up or you can't manage you enough like. Better you suffer the consequence cause you love hype. I true me stay in me own lane.
Get to yourself things.
I wake you up in your dreams.
Yeah. Jenna.
All the things. Don't give up in your dreams.
Jenna.
All the things.
Jenna.
One feel like
So this place would be considered our Wall Street of Ontario. You have all the suits. This is where all the suits are. Well, suits? What do you mean the suits? This is all the corporate business people. This is where all of them are, down here. Down here. See, you got the tall buildings. Some of them you can't even see up. See. No, you can't. Yeah, that's crazy. It's always crazy down here though. Always. That's why I hate coming down here. But it's so beautiful like at night. Yeah, hardly anybody likes coming driving coming down here. And then they take forever. They take forever.
Push them out of the road.
After this one, you should be able to go.
I'm not go down Monday now, give me no way, man.
No. Oh, that's crazy.
Brand new.
So, you've pretty much reached downtown. We're just actually looking for parking. And it's also another B to find parking down here. And it's so expensive. Right? And the tickets them, they don't run to give tickets. The tickets them are like, oh, whoa. So we're gonna just try to find parking, and yeah, we will be back. Yeah guys, so we're in the building, and I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. So I'm just wearing white tee with some shoes and white shoes. Yes. So that is my outfit. As you guys can see, I know I'm in the bathroom. I just got a white tee on with and some running shoes and my white purse. So we are heading out now. We just found parking finally. So, oh, my hair is a mess. So yeah, we are heading out. Now we're going actually to probably the Eaton Center, because hubby hasn't been there, so we'll probably take him. So this is what you call midday traffic, guys. Like, it is crazy busy out here.
Crazy busy, crazy.
Crazy busy. Look at all the cars.
They're too hungry for in traffic, you know.
They're too hungry for in traffic. Oh my.
Collect and go on up, cut off up, so. When you see me and you know what I want to.
You see your face?
Yeah,
You need to feed me. I'm hungry. That can't eat.
you'll be surprised.
Continue on 401 Expressway.
Surprised? Do I look like a cannibal to you?
I don't want your help again.
Then they plug it out. Do I look like a cannibal to you? Huh? Yeah guys, so we are just on our way. Well, home. We're not quite going home yet. We still got a couple of running around to go do.
We are home.
I'm hungry.
That's the only stuff for.
Oh look, it's 10. We went from a different temperature down there to up here. The car, it says it's 10.
Up here is warmer. Because in Toronto you can't see sun.
That one expires on your birthday. No, actually, no, on your birthday. That is so bad, and I should know it, because that's our anniversary. No, Zabi. me up. So, I think this hunger is getting to me. And I'm tired. Going up in what bus? Yeah, oh gosh. Look at this traffic, guys. This is just crazy. Crazy. There's a midday traffic. Look over there. The cars are like bumper to bumper. At least it's somewhat moving. Just now we weren't moving at all. Stop, and we're just having some food. We're just at Barrels. Eating some food. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything all day.
When the day finish?
But the day finish, yeah, because it's like what, 4:52 right now. So pretty much this is our dinner. We're having and boy, I'm hungry. I haven't had some curry goat in so long, man. No, I just kind of eat some. I feel very good. The substitution, but I'm having jerk chicken, rice and peas. Mr. Williams having curry goat and rice and peas. So I'm about to dismangle this food and then be back because I'm starving. We are home and I am exhausted. I am tired. Talk to y'all later. Bye.
Simple things are your blessing. You better notice your blessing.
Passing, tell them say you love them for you see them in a coffin. None days bad days, you know say you weather. Me woulda trade house and car and cheddar. Just forget 1 more minute with my brother. So you better spend time together.